I'm going to start with using Tidal Wave, which is my #1 best-selling product. It's a sea salt spray, and I am going to actually utilize this on dry hair. So I'm going to do 2 spritzes of Tidal Wave on fully dry hair, and then I'm going to work the product through. So because of the benefits and because of the ingredients of the sea salt, which is sourced from the Dead Sea, so it's the highest quality sea salt you can use, I'm working this through the hair and it's absorbing extremely quickly on dry hair. That's why this is awesome for fine hair, because it binds the hair together, especially also if you have oily hair. It actually absorbs the oils like a dry shampoo. So once you can feel that the product has worked through the hair, you don't need a lot, just 2 spritzes. Then I'm going to utilize my hot tool, which I like to call a smoothing iron, because you want your hair smooth, not flat. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to wrap the hair around the barrel like this, and I'm going to then pull it and wrap it around the barrel. So I'm wrapping it and holding onto that end. Just be careful, you don't want to, burn your hand or anything, and maybe 1 or 2 clamps. And then I'm going to pull the hair out of the barrel like this, and we've created a beautiful, soft, easy wave, which is effortless. Okay, an effortless, nice, soft wave. And then you can continue to do this throughout the remainder of the head. And this is probably the fastest way, I would say. Everything says effortless, but you have to put some effort into it, obviously. I'm gonna pull this hair out, and then there we go. You can see by twisting it, I'm creating that nice wave. So here's the second one in through here. And then you can just work it or leave it. And then you can try to get through this as quickly as you possibly can to create like a nice little texture for your hair. So this can also be done on a shorter hairstyle as well. However, what I would suggest doing is, you can use a hot tool, but because the hair is so short, it's really gonna be tough. So you can maybe take the hair and twist it like that, right? But it's not really gonna do too much. So if the hair is too short, this technique may not necessarily work. So what I like to do is scrunch and then blow dry. So what's gonna happen is if your hair is like fully dry on shorter hair, the chances are that you're only gonna get like slight movement like this, okay? In these situations on shorter hair, the hair, in my opinion, needs to be a lot more damp. So you can utilize Tidal Wave and get an effortless type of wave while the hair is dry, but you don't have the length in order to use a hot tool. So instead, the hair needs to be a bit more damp, and then you can scrunch it in. Or, you can use a bit more Tidal Wave, which I don't really suggest, because if you overuse Tidal Wave, it's just gonna be too, the texture may be too much for your hair, right? So you can use Tidal Wave, make the hair damp like this, and then you can take the section and maybe make a twist like this, and then use the blow dryer on it, and then when you unwind it or scrunch it, it's gonna have a little bit of that, you can see like a little bit of a movement or a little bit of a wave right in through here, okay? Just like how you see it right there. But again, it all depends. So the best way is on longer hair, you wanna use it on dry hair, and use a hot tool, and you're gonna get that nice, awesome wave, and I just showed you here. See, as you can see in through here. A nice soft wave because you have the length of hair to be able to wrap around. So it's a quick, easy way to get beachy waves on dry hair using sea salt spray, which is my Tidal Wave. And then on shorter hair like this, I would suggest dampening the hair. And when it's a bit damp, spray in the Tidal Wave, not a whole lot. Then go in and use the diffuser and scrunch your hair. And I have loads of videos already on YouTube right here. Just type in the Salon Guy wavy hair or the Salon Guy straight to wavy hair, just anything, and add the Salon Guy to it when you're searching. If you want to purchase my hair dryer or my sea salt spray or any of my products, you can use code YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.